Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol EKSO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one, so let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. So first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. When you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price can stay up here above $2.20. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below $2.20, I'm not saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, staying up above that level would certainly be a huge sign of power. Next level of support after that would be the bottom portion of this consolidation range, and that sits at about 205. So 220, 205, two of the near-term levels of support. Taking a step back and looking at things from a big picture point of view. So this definitely assumes you have more of a broader time horizon, but that's where the purple line comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, this line here is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move, that right there being defined as quote-unquote the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, no questions asked. Again, yeah, preferably speaking, stay up above $2.20. But as far as the big picture is concerned, as long as the price is above that purple line, then the bulls 100% own the chart. In terms of levels of resistance and where the sellers are hanging out at right now, that's going to be right up there around $2.40, give or take. You can see quite a bit of price congestion up around that area of the chart. So that'll be public enemy number one going forward. All in all, though, no doubt about it, nice movement today. And as long as the price starts going through healthy consolidations and building higher bases, this could be the start of a much bigger trend. We shall see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.